Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. My name is Rynie Mac and welcome to part 4 of my room makeover. I'm not going to get so descriptive in this video. I'm just going to pop in and out because I don't want to make it seem like I'm teaching you how to do it because I was just learning for the first time myself. So instead, I will be inserting pictures step by step. Like this video if you are watching it before you are actually building your desk or if you are watching it as you are building your desk. Also, comment down below and let me know if it made it easier for you to build and if the pictures were helpful. Check out my part 3 where I built out my clothing rack. It was actually way easier than I thought it would be. That's already posted and I will have a part 5 posted for you guys on Tuesday. Thank you for watching and subscribe if you want to see more. Subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if I helped you. Subscribe if you are a good person. Just subscribe and like this video. I will see you guys in my next one later. Let me make sure that I tell you guys too to make sure that the screwdriver that you are using is in good condition. I had one that was not in good condition and eventually I was able to transfer it out and switch it out to one that was heavy duty, but the one that I'm using right now is not, and it was so hard to screw all of those things, especially because you want to make sure it's tight. You don't want to leave it loose. It was a headache. So make sure that you're using tools that are in great condition or in a good enough condition where it's going to do its job, okay? At this point, I'm over here screwing it with my hands, trying all different techniques in different ways. Like, it wasn't giving, it wasn't trying, it was just giving me a headache. So, yeah, take that tip. Make sure you got good tools. This piece you have to put in and turn to the right just so that it locks everything into place. When you are building, you notice that you're not really screwing anything together. Everything easily can come apart. This is what avoids that, and this is what stops it. So make sure you do this step specifically. This step can get a little bit confusing. I know I was a little confused and I had to look twice at the paper when I saw this step. Pause the video so that you can see where to place the screws. My father came in and he saw that I was struggling a little bit. So he's like, oh, what's wrong? Like, what you struggling with? And I'm like, Dad, like, I cannot use the screwdriver. The screwdriver is not working. It's not giving what it's supposed to give. Like, try it. So he tries it and he's just like, oh, yeah, this is not working. This is not working. So I'm going to get you another one. We're going to use another one. And he got me another one. So, you know, I was able to continue doing what I was doing my desk. Thank you, Dad. I appreciate you very much. And now we can continue. We can continue. Use a durable screwdriver so you don't have to be in my position. Is it just me that feel like you need to examine your work as you go? Like, I'm dead walking around this desk, like I gotta examine to see, like, does this look right? Is this coming out how it's supposed to? How am I feeling about it? Like, you know, you gotta do your examination to make sure. But pause the video. Again, pause the video so that you do not put it in the wrong spot. When you're putting the knob on, make sure that curved part is at the bottom, just so that when you are grabbing the drawer, the point is so that your finger grabs onto the bottom and hooks it like that's where your finger is supposed to be. So make sure that that loop is at the bottom when you're screwing it. I just wanted to show you guys that I put mine in the middle, but you do not have to put yours in the middle. You could put it in the front or the back one. It just depends on where you want your divider to be at. I am very upset that I did not record me putting these drawers in, but y'all just gonna have to. I'ma just, wow. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Please stick around for part 5 and 6 because there is more parts to this. I am not done with this room. So please stick around, like this video, comment down below if it was helpful for you, subscribe if you fuck with the video, please. Like, just subscribe. Don't just watch it, subscribe. And turn on your post notifications so that you are notified every time I upload and so that you don't miss my next upload. I'll see you in my next one. Later, y'all.